A debenture is a long-term unsecured bond or promissory note generally issued by a corporation backed by the issuer's creditworthiness instead of collateral. Debentures often have a clause restricting the issuer's ability to redeem them before they mature. In Morgan Stanley v. Archer Daniels Midland, the court interpreted one such clause. In 1981, Archer Daniels Midland issued more than $100 million in debentures set to mature in 2011. In 1983, Morgan Stanley purchased approximately $16 million of these debentures. At that time, the debentures were trading for more than their redemption price. The debentures contained a clause prohibiting Archer from redeeming them, quote, from the proceeds or in anticipation of the issuance of any indebtedness, unquote, if the interest rate for such debt was lower than 16.08% a year. The prospectus and indenture under which the debentures were issued contained the same language, which was a boilerplate clause commonly appearing in similar instruments. Coincidentally, almost immediately after Morgan purchased the debentures, Archer announced that it would redeem the debentures effective in August 1983. Archer proposed to redeem the debentures using funds raised by two recent common stock offerings. At around the same time as the stock offerings, Archer also raised substantial funds through public borrowing at interest rates of less than 16.08%. Morgan sued Archer in federal district court, alleging, among other things, that the debentures' terms barred the proposed redemption plan. Morgan argued that Archer was indirectly funding the redemption through the proceeds of borrowing at an impermissibly low interest rate in violation of the debentures' terms. Morgan asserted that the provision barred redemption at the same time that Archer was engaged in borrowing at a rate lower than the prescribed interest rate, regardless of the actual source of the funds used. Morgan sought a preliminary injunction enjoining the planned redemption. The district court denied Morgan's motion for preliminary injunction. Both parties cross-moved for summary judgment. The court ruled on the motions.